Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we have seen the heat transfer analysis in case of radiation for a spherical body. Now let us start solving problem based on that. Numerical on radiation heat transfer in sphere. Now this question was asked in May 13 in case of Mumbai University. The problem is a small sphere, outer diameter is 60 mm with a surface temperature of 300 degrees Celsius is located at a geometric center of a large sphere whose inside diameter is 360 mm with an inner surface temperature of 15 degrees Celsius. Calculate how much percentage of emission from the inner surface of the large sphere is incident upon the outer surface of a small sphere. What is the net interchange of heat between the two spheres, assuming both the surfaces approaches black body behavior? So there are two questions they have asked. Basically, there is a small sphere whose diameter is 60 mm and temperature is 300, and larger sphere whose diameter is 360 and diameter is 360 and temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. They are asking what percent of emission from the larger sphere is incident on the smaller sphere, and then what is the net interaction of the heat between the two surfaces. So let us start solving this. Let us first indicate this as a smaller surface, which is we are calling as surface 1, and this as a larger surface, we are calling this as surface 2. They have given diameter 1 as 60 mm, then diameter 2 they have given as 360 mm, temperature 1 they have given as 300 degrees Celsius, temperature 2 they have given as 15 degrees Celsius, and then in that they are asking what is the percentage of emission from 2 to 1. So this, in a technical term, they are asking us to find out shape factor for 2 to 1. And second thing is they are also asking us to find out what is the value of heat transfer from surface 1 to 2. So the reciprocal theorem is given by A1 F122, which is same as A2 F221. Now since the surface 1 is a convex surface, I can simply write down F122 is unity, because all the radiation which are coming out from surface 1 will definitely go and meet to the surface 2. There is no other way that those radiation may go somewhere else. So this is F122. With that, I can find out F2 to 1 as simply ratio of A1 by A2. Now we need to understand that these are spheres. Hence, the area will be 4 pi R1 square upon 4 pi R2 square. And with the help of this diameter, I can write down the R1 and R2 square as, instead of R1, this is 30 square and this is 360 divided by 2, so that is 180 square. So now if I start solving this, I am getting the value of F122, or in fact F221, as 0.0278. So this is F221 can be simply written as 2.78%. Means we have tried to find out this part, that is the amount of radiation which are coming out from the surface 2 and which are meeting to the surface 1, they are only 2.7%. Rest all will obviously go outside. Okay, so the one which are coming inside is only 2.78%. Now this was only a first part. Now let us go for the second part. In the second part, they are asking what is the value of Q dash 1 to 2. We know it is given by sigma A1 T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 upon in the bracket 1 upon E1 plus A1 by A2 1 upon E2 minus 1. Now we have seen that this is what the expression is all about, but they have assumed this as a black body. They have said that you have to assume this is a black body, and we know that for the black body, the value of emissivity is unity. Means it will emit all the radiation which are coming onto the or which are there. So with this, if I substitute over here, I can find the value. So value of sigma is 5.67 10 raised to minus 8. The value of area is 4 pi r square, 4 pi r1. The value of r1 is 30 into 10 raised to minus 3 the whole square. And the temperature T1 is 300 plus 273, so that is 573 Kelvin raised to 4 minus T2 is 15 plus 273, that is Kelvin raised to 4. So this is my numerator, and in the denominator I have got 1 upon E1, where E1 is 1 itself, plus A1 by A2. Now we have seen this A1 by A2 is nothing but, I can write this as what, 30 square upon 180 square in the bracket. This is 1 minus 1. So basically the numerator only stands to 1. If this is the case, I have got only the numerator. Now this is what is the Stefan-Boltzmann law was saying. So if I put and if I solve this in the calc, I am going to get the value of Q dash 1 to 2 as 64.64 watt. So this is what is the net heat transfer from surface 1 to 2, which is almost 65 watt. So that is what they ask us to find out, the percentage emission and then the net interaction of heat. We have got the percent of emission as approximately 2.7% and the emission heat was approximately 65 watt. Now that is it in this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda. Thank you.